Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. It's a little windy today, so I got my mic on. Hopefully this will help. Another beautiful gem. I bought a 2012 Ford Expedition Limited with only 25,000 miles. That is correct. This was a local trade from a good customer of mine. Older gentleman, hadn't been used much, obviously, with only 25,000 miles. Been put up in a garage, kept inside. It still had the original tires, which they were still okay, but I put a new set because you need a new set. So got brand new tires. It had the original wiper blades, replaced that. That's just to show you how nice it was when I got it. It didn't need much. You can tell the headlights are still nice and clear. It's got the fog lights, automatic headlights. It's got the park assist sensor front and rear. So it's a one owner, clean Carfax, hasn't been smoked in. It is a very nice unit. Beautiful silver. It's got the touchpad for the keypad. You put your combination to get in. Got those power steps. I believe it's got every option available back then. It's got power folding heated mirrors. And look at these seats. Oh, there's a lot of sunshine, but the leather's in really good shape. No tears. Very nice. Even the original formats are just like new. It's got the adjustable power pedal. Got your automatic headlights, tilt steering. These drive so good, very comfortable and quiet. 24,989. And those are the right miles. Got nice leather wrapped steering wheel with the wood grain at the top. Cruise control. There's all your audio control, wipers. It's got the optional navigation system. Get your map. AM/FM CD player. How about that? You don't get that anymore. It's even got satellite radio. You can activate that. And it's got the jukebox, which is like a hard drive. And it's got Bluetooth too, so you can stream from your phone and things like that. Very nice. We got the backup camera with the sensors. It's got dual climate control, nice and cold. Oh, it's got rear climate control too. So you got 3 climate zones. Very nice. As you can see, there's no wear. A lot of time on these older ones, these buttons are wore off. It's just like new. Air conditioning seats, they work. Everything works. Heated seats. Hadn't been smoked in. It still smells really nice in here. No issues. Got the 6-speed automatic transmission. I guess I can close this. There you go. Got some storage. USB, auxiliary input. I've got both keys, owner's manual, window sticker, got it all. Look at these formats. Doesn't look like no one's been in here. Then you got your sunroof. Got the auto dimming rearview mirror. Just had it serviced. Very roomy. Got a full bench seat. So it's an 8-passenger. There's your audio control for the rear. Climate control. It's even got heated seat for the center seat. Got an inverter with a 110 outlet, 12 volt. Still got the original plastic film on top of this screen here. Never been removed. There's your third seat, and it's a power third seat. Very nice. As you can see, carpet is clean. No kids yet in here, looks like. Be a great one for a big family. 20-inch wheels, brand new rubber. Got the easy fuel capless, you just stick the nozzle. Got your hands full of grocery, you just push this button and boom, it opens. Power lift gate. And this here is really nice. You just push the fold button. They go down individually, so you can just fold one of them if you want to. But that's nice, you don't have to wrestle them, break your back. Some of them can be a pain. This is nice, again, very clean. Here's your jack equipment. You've got an outlet. And that's your power lift gate from inside. I've seen some 3-year-old vehicle that didn't look this good. It's got the towing package, your light hookup, full-size spare. This seat also lays down. You can lay both of them down. These power steps are very nice. Makes it easy to get in and out. Also has the universal garage door opener. Forgot to mention that. I see it here. Seats, very nice. Got dual power seats. Forgot to pop the hood. You don't see many of those. People hang on to them. And new one's $80,000, $90,000, so people hang on to them longer than they used to. About a 5.4 liter V8. Plenty of power, reliable engine. As you can see, it's nice and clean, no rust, no mud. It's a nice southern vehicle. No leaks, everything works like it's supposed to. I'm even gonna put a free 3-month, 3,000 mile powertrain warranty. So it does come with some kind of warranty. You can buy an extended warranty if you're interested, but it does come with a warranty. If you're looking for a sharp luxury SUV in light and new condition that won't break the bank, this here's your ticket. To see if this Expedition is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. And I don't think this one will last long because it's hard to come by a nice vehicle in this price range. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call anytime. Text 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.